Well, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Prasoon Kumar, and it is indeed a pleasure to be here today on this very special occasion. It is an honor to stand in front of you and present the future of smartphones to you. The key ingredient of all Sony products is imagination. We always talk about technology from our own perspective, but we are half as imaginative as children are. So today, let's look at how the younger ones perceive the inside of a smartphone. So to help me explain this amazing product, I would like to invite Atharva, a super talented, imaginative child, to come to stage and share his world of imagination with us. And also, he is the co-host for the presentation. So ladies and gentlemen, Atharva. Atharva? Atharva, where are you? Atharva?
Hello everyone, I am Athar, your co-host for the show. And like he was saying that I have this big world of imaginations where every day I go on an adventure. Do you know, yesterday when I was bathing, there was water everywhere. And suddenly I found myself all alone on an island. Then I started to search for an escape. Then I went towards the shore, where a big ocean with hungry sharks were waiting for me. It scared me. But as you know, that in my world, I have superpowers, and I'm very smart, and I'm not scared. So I went to the forest. It was dark with tall trees, and scary sounds came from everywhere. Then I climbed up a tree and jumped from one vine to another, like Tarzan. Then I again jumped. I was jumping.
Okay, Atharva. Mr. Imagination, we get it. You were swinging. So you tell us, what else did you see?
No, I was just jumping from one vine to another. I was jumping.
Okay, all right, Atharva. What happened after jumping?
I was jumping.
Okay, hold on. Your imagination is getting better of me. Let's see if there's another way to do this. Have you played dumb charades?
I have, but I never get it right, so I don't want to play the game.
Okay, so we will change the rules for today. Okay, you tell me the story through your actions, and I will guess what you are saying, and that's how we'll tell the story. Okay, but one condition, Atharva, you don't get to talk. You'll remain completely silent, and if I get it wrong, you win and I lose. Deal?
Great, let's do it.
Okay, let's start. Clouds? Rain? Okay, so as you were jumping from one vine to the other, it started to rain. Wow, that's quite a vivid and clear imagination. It can only be matched by the Xperia S smartphone. The Xperia S features a stunning 4.3-inch high-definition reality display, which is powered by Sony's mobile Bravia engine and has razor-sharp clarity with 342 pixels per inch. The HD reality display of Xperia S lets you see more details and experience more vividness when you are viewing your photos, videos, or movies. The jagged edges that you often see in non-HD displays are gone, and it's easier to read small text on websites even without having to zoom in. You can capture full HD 1080 pixel video, as the Xperia is a 1.5 gigahertz dual-core powered smartphone. And that's not all. Xperia S has a front-facing camera through which one can enjoy even video chat in high-definition quality. Okay, so Atharva, go on, tell me what happened next. Grassland? Wait, you came across a lion. Oh my, you must have been really scared. Oh, wow, that was a mighty roar. With the Xperia S, the sound comes alive with Sony technology. The surround audio, manual equalizer, X-Loud, clear bass, and clear stereo gives a crisp and loud audio experience. Crystal clear, lifelike sound. And with Facebook inside your Xperia S, you can share your music with your friends instantly. You can also see what your friends are listening to. And with SenseMe, you can select songs as per your mood. So, Atharva, lion came. So what did you do? Ah, you call your friends. Oh, you and your friends fought the lion together. Wow, that was brave. Well, quick connectivity with friends. That's just like the Xperia S smartphone. That opens the door of a wider world of entertainment, or rather, doors, because it lets you connect to a wide range of devices to extend your experience beyond the smartphone itself. This means that you can choose the best screen available for what you want to do and when you want to do it. So for example, why not download an episode of your favorite TV serial straight to the Xperia S via Wi-Fi and watch it on the train to work? Or plug your Xperia S to your HD TV at home using the HDMI cable and show your latest photos to your family. You got some new great music in your phone? Well, share it at your friend's party by connecting the Xperia S to his or her wireless speakers using DLNA and a Wi-Fi network. You can also send files between Sony tablet and Sony Xperia S smartphones via Wi-Fi or DLNA. Or use a Vio laptop with MediaGo to transfer music, films, and other content between your devices. Okay. So what happened next? Oh. So you boys fought the lion and scared him away and even managed to click a picture. Now, don't start jumping again. You know what happened last time, huh? Okay. Have you ever tried to capture that funny or special moment with your mobile camera just to see the opportunity slip away because it took too long for the camera to start? Well, with Xperia S, you are always prepared to catch whatever happens, even the most unexpected things, thanks to the really fast camera. The 12 megapixel camera of Xperia S features fast capture capability, which takes your Xperia from sleep to snap in just a little over a second with a single key press. You can also take series of photos really fast because of the powerful 1.5 gigahertz dual-core processor, which quickly takes care of all the image data once a photo has been taken. You know, the camera of Xperia S is ready for the second shot just 1 second after the previous one. The Xperia S also boasts of the award-winning Exmor-R sensor, which takes bright images even in low light. So show it and amaze people. So right, Atharva, where were we? Yes, you guys fought the lion and scared him away. So what happened after that? Playing dolphins. So you reached the other side of the island and saw dolphins. Whoa. And you made friends with dolphins. You used dolphins as rides and race back to school? Wow, that was very smart, I must say, Atharva. Very smart.
Yes.
Hey, you are not supposed to speak.
Oops, sorry. Hey, that's cheating. You were not fair. Everything what I was telling came back on the screen.
Well, okay, Atharva, you win and I lose.
Yes!
Well, the ability to play anywhere and everywhere with vivid clarity, just like in a child's imagination, is something brought to you by Xperia S. Xperia S is PlayStation certified, which means you get the best mobile gaming experience around in exceptional high definition quality. So one can enjoy legendary PlayStation games and content newly created for PlayStation suites from the PlayStation Store and even connect and play on the big screen. Xperia S also features an innovative application of the NFC technology in combination with the new Xperia Smart Tags. A single touch of your smartphone against these small NFC-enabled tokens directly launches pre-configured applications or defined actions of your choice. So imagine, for example, you leave the house for a morning run and you want to activate GPS, connect your Bluetooth headset, start your music player, and launch your running application, all of it together. Well, one touch of the smart tag initiates all these actions. What, Atharva, what now?
I know that I won. But just now I got to know that the answers which you guessed were not guessed by you.
Then?
It were guessed by the mobile.
Ah, smart you are.
Can I have the mobile, please?
Of course, sure, you can have.
Yes.
Okay, and yes, one thing everyone will notice, which is the standout, stunning design of Xperia. We are proud over the years to have been recognized for design for many, many years. And a month ago, Xperia won yet another prestigious IF Design Awards. Our commitment to outstanding design continues with the new evolution of our human-centric philosophy. Perhaps the most intriguing design feature is the transparent element in Xperia S. With illumination effects, it emphasizes the display and even magically integrates the invisible antenna components. Our next generation Sony user interface follows the same design principles, offering rich application and content experiences with a simple and clean look. Well, ladies and gentlemen, life becomes very, very amazing, extremely amazing with a little bit of imagination, doesn't it? Well, and to capture all our imagination, the all-new Sony Xperia S is enough. Well, what else? I think Atharva made it very, very easy for me to translate all the excitement related to the phone. So thank you, Atharva, and thank you all, ladies and gentlemen, for joining me on this incredible journey of imagination. Thank you.
Bye.
Come on, I think that little kid Atharva needs a huge round of applause.